Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Summer Waves 18 by 9 foot by 52-inch frame pool set with filter pump. Spend the hot summer cooling off by your Summer Waves 18-foot pool set. This pool kit has everything you need to set up and maintain. It comes with a 110 to 120 volt filter pump with ground fault circuit interrupter, pool cover, ladder, deluxe maintenance kit, Type-C filter cartridge, repair patch kit, and ground cloth. Product benefits. The pool thing can set up in no time. Made of a durable triple-layer polyester mesh and a durable rust-resistant metal frame. Manufacturer warranty. Pool pump, 180 days and pool liner, 90 days. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.